Good morning, wonderful people. This is Miss Jam Tours. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I really hope this finds you well from wherever you're watching me from. Guys, today is a Friday morning. It's just 10 a.m. Baby Hamesh is still asleep. Oh, thank God for that. And baby Jamesh is also sleeping. And I decided, let me just make something for breakfast or like a snack or something. So I want to fry some plantains. And before that, guys, I was undoing my hair yesterday. As you can see, I look a bit natural, cornrows, natural. So I'm gonna finish these few lines today. With baby you can't just finish everything at once, but yeah, I'm going to do that today so that I can get the whole hair done. I know I've undone it so quick. It just stayed for like a week and a half. Have my reasons of doing that. I've really been scratching my scalp and I just can't keep up with that. So the easiest thing for me to do is just to undo the hair and comb it and just do something natural on it. Okay. Also from there I want to scrub my face. I know it looks smooth there. And I don't do my morning they call them skincare routines or something of the sort, so I don't do that. I just do a scrub and put some shea butter and that's it, to keep the glow. Okay. So let me show you what I am doing right now. Okay, so this is the milk I was expressing, although I'm not done with that because I just did one bowl. I just did one breast, and here are my plantains, and this is what we'll be using to cook. Either these or let me see what else I'll use. I can choose to do with this. I think it will hold a few. And then this is baby Hamesh porridge. This is some semolina. Yeah, porridge is ready for baby. And here's some papaya and avocado and some bananas. I'm going to make a smoothie for him. When he gets up. I always start him off with a smoothie or some warm water, and then he can drink his porridge. Okay. So with that said and done, my hair is a bit loose, and whether it's loose or not, I'll have to use this bonnet, okay, to cover my head so that the hair won't go in the whatever I'm cooking. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get back to you as I fry my plantains. Okay, Hubby went for his morning routine. In the morning he goes for gym, and then so I want to surprise him so that when he comes back he has no idea I'm doing this, because I had promised him yesterday that he's going to find some plantains. Okay, so only for him to come back and found I've not done anything, like I had not made the plantains. I just said let me surprise him today. Oh my God, to my surprise, Hamesh just woke up. He slept through the night. That is so nice. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching me. I really hope I'm improving on this whole YouTube thing, vlogging and all that. Okay, so let me fry the plantains and I am going to get back to you guys. Bye bye. Hamesh okay. Good morning. Hamesh always gives me a hug in the morning, which is so sweet. Mwah. Say good morning. Hi guys. Say hi. Wave at the camera. Oh, wave at the camera, Papa. Wave. Say good morning. You just woke up. Oh yes, he's saying good morning. Good morning, Papa. How are you? Look at how you slept through the night. So guys, Hamesh just woke up and I will have to cut it at that fast. Okay, you want us to do the vlog together, so I'm going to cut this at that. I won't fry the plantains first. I'm gonna have to shower him. Okay, I'm gonna have to shower him. I always shower him in the morning, okay, when he gets up, and then now he can take his smoothie, his porridge, anything. Okay, so I am going to do that as at now, okay, and then we're gonna get back to you. Okay, Papa, tell them bye. Chum, mommy, chum, mommy, chum, 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 chum. Okay, bye guys. Guys, my Jammy is also awake, as I told you earlier, and Hamesh is in the other room with our nanny, so he's gonna get showered. Yeah, because I would have showered him, but you know, Jamesh woke up, so let me just handle Jam, and Hamesh will get handled by our nanny. Okay, so I'm also going to wash Jamesh right now, because I prefer washing them in the morning. I don't know how you do it. Tell me how you also do it as a mom. I don't know, I just prefer washing them in the morning because you know, sometimes they have poop or they've, you know, peed, and so I just prefer doing the diaper change, you know, with a nice you know, wash them with nice warm water, and you know, massage them in the morning. I just feel like it keeps them, you know, all good throughout the day. Okay, so I have my things set right now. I have my water over there. I have this Macintosh, and I have the clothes the Jamesh is going to put on. That's a romper, the white green, and these onesis, some pair of socks, and a jacket over there, and a Pampers. Okay, so let me get on with the work, and then we are going to get back to you when we are fresh. All right, Jamesh. Is it Hamesh or Jamesh? Hey, Kajam. You don't want to smile? Mwah. All right, bye guys. See you on the other side. Okay. Guys, my sweetheart Jamesh, it has just been washed. I've just finished washing him, and I've covered him in this blue lasso. Okay, Jammy, because I don't want baby to feel cold, you know. I want him to still feel warm. Okay, so I'm gonna just dress him up so quick. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna get back to you after we dress up. Also, I need to tidy up, like, you know, handling babies, I'm telling you. I also need to tidy up, like, you know, the diapers, the water, the whatnot, the Macintosh, where everything has been messed up. So I'm just gonna get back to you guys. Okay, yeah, so this is the mess I'm talking about. So I need to make sure I clean up all these. Okay, I'll just put everything at wherever it's you know. So I'm just gonna get back to you guys. Okay, yeah. Jammy, yeah, all clean and fresh. All right, so let me massage him, dress him up, and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Oh, hi guys. I could be your wicked, you know. You can't tell me you have started the camera.
I have to tell her?
Eh? Yeah, you have to tell me, because it's not like I was concentrating, I was here. So guys, we are back in the kitchen. My oil is heated to make these plantains. Okay, I love, they look like they've been eaten.
Oh really?
Anyway,
so it's when I start cook plantain. You never used to cook plantain?
I never used to cook plantain. I don't know, when was it? Oh, until I went to Branjam.
Branjam?
Yeah.
What is Branjam?
Branjam Reggae Bistro, our restaurant.
Where is it?
In Gitanga Road, Lavington. Something. There's a box somewhere. Anyway, guys, until I went to Branjon Reggae Bistro. It's a restaurant in Lavington. Make sure you check it out. We are also on Bolt, right?
And Glovo.
Bolt Food, right?
And Glovo Food.
Glovo Food. So I had to start making these things because this restaurant food you brought for like few pieces of plantain. When I tell Happy bring for me the plantain and the Jamaican rice, of course I won't like feel I've eaten, so I needed to make sure I start making the plantains. Okay, so I first stand off the. I'm wondering, should I first make the smoothie? I first make the smoothie.
Well, the oil is
oil
hot,
is
so you have to.
So I can just leave this first.
Yeah.
All right. That's what happens when you have a busy home. You have to like wonder, what do I do first? Love, during the morning when I was vlogging, Amesh was still asleep.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he woke up
I'm just
at
awake.
10. He woke up at 10:20.
Eh?
So as I was vlogging is when he got up. Yeah. So anyways, that's how I got to know the plantains are so sweet. At first when we could go to the market, the guys used to tell us, you're not buying plantain, and I'm like, no, I don't like that. I don't eat them. But nowadays, Yani, if you see how I'm buying these things, I think it's hot.
Yeah, of course it's hot.
Why am I putting my money?
So, sweetie, what are some of the criteria of a good wife?
Eh?
What are some of the criteria of a good wife?
Okay, love. That somebody knows they are good wives until they are told.
Until they
If you don't tell me I'm a good wife, how will I know I'm good?
Of course, I will be confident in yourself and know that
Of course, I'm
you'll
confident.
be a good.
In fact,
Alright, what a good wife supposed to do?
Make sure he's. Sorry. Make sure her home is running smoothly. Make sure everything is organized like at this given time. For me, in my own honest opinion, you see, like the way I have two young ones, like toddler, 2 under 2.
Yeah.
I feel I normally do what is important first. For me, babies come first. I remember that time I didn't have a nanny. You understand?
Yeah.
I remember at that time I didn't have a nanny, and I'm alone with the kids.
Yeah.
So sometimes you wonder, is it doing dishes? Is it showering? Is it you eating? Is it cooking? You understand? So you have to do what is important first. So I don't know. What do you think?
Do I think? Well, I was just trying to get your opinion. Like, there's many aspects of a good wife. You only can talk about maybe one and elaborate on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm just saying that number one for a good wife, you must be able to cook.
Oh, really?
You must be able to can do something.
Well,
like,
that's true.
you should be able to can feed your family. You shouldn't be actually running, you know what I mean? Breakfast you have to buy, lunch you have to buy, all kind of these things.
And I feel you should also be creative. I'm telling you, being a woman is not easy. Let me just tell you, being a woman is not easy.
Yeah.
And I'm not trying to like say anything, but I know, in my honest opinion, that you just have to be creative. Sometimes you have the kid and you're like, oh my God, what do I give him? He's already crying. You've not made food, so you have to just come up with something.
Yeah.
And because then I've noticed Hamesh nowadays is kind of like loving all this stuff.
Yeah.
So when I make these plantains, he'll be there enjoying with us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. Do you like when the plantains are in this color or if they are fully cooked?
Oh, I like it. I like it when it's black.
Oh, really? Alright, I'm turning them because I don't want them to burn and all that. So, do you think I'm a good wife?
Of course, you're more than a good wife.
Would
You're more than good wife. Hey, somebody that is looking for a wife, I guess you look for a lot of things. Yeah.
Make sure your kids are good. I was just telling them in the vlog, in the morning. I like washing the babies in the morning, and reason being, I just feel like after they are washed, just gives them that You just feel a nice vibe to just start off your day, isn't it?
Yeah.
The same way I just get up and shower, because I also shower first before the babies, before they get up, so that it can keep me going in the day.
Yeah.
So, let our plantains cook. We're gonna get back with the real thing. My love.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Okay.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What you doing?
Alright, perhaps I'll come back with it.
Why?
See, I'm done.
You're burning it up?
No, I'm not burning.
It's jam towards burning it up.
I'm not burning.
The
Why-
plantain
why
people.
Would I burn them? Didn't you just tell me you like them black? So I'm just waiting for. They're not burnt. Imagine like.
They're not burned?
No,
You sure?
no, they're not burnt. Do they look burnt? Eh? Please cut it now.
This jam toast want me to cut. Just put it on over it, sweetie, so I cut. Cut the
Baby Jamish, how are you? Are you da 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 da. Baby Jamish, baby di 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 di. Ride your bicycle. Ride your bicycle, baby Jamish, baby Jamish. Ride your bicycle. Okay? Oh, jammy. Ka-jam. I will put on your socks. Then you put on your romper, okay? Yes, the weather is not giving, okay? Right, Jamesh? Right? So guys, I am almost done. And I hope you can get me clearly. Okay? Yes, Jamesh, we are going to put on clothes because it's cold. Yes. You see outside? Outside is so cold. You see, even inside the house, it's so cold. So you need some warm clothes, alright? Alright, baby Jamesh? Yes, it's very cold, okay? So you need to put on some warm clothes, alright? Yeah. Yes, outside is so cold. Yeah? Kana kama mi, kana kwa kega, kana kega. Okay? You stop crying. Yes, Hamesh? I'm telling Jamesh to stop crying. No, please don't take it. Come. Hamesh wants to take the camera, okay? Let's put on Jamesh clothes, okay? Tiga. Okay, Uka. Take this, okay? Hold it for mommy, alright? Where that here? Kuka. Take this. Take the Hamesh. Oh my god, guys. Dealing with toddler is not easy. Jamesh, what do you want to say, Papa? Hamesh, leave it. Come here, the front. Come here. Don't touch it. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm in the process of finishing up with Jamesh. Hamesh, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay? Don't touch it. Do not touch it. Okay? So guys, I was singing for baby Jamesh to stop crying as I put him on clothes. Don't touch it. Okay? Don't touch it. So guys, I'll see you in the kitchen. Okay? Bye.
your music.
Just said you left them black. Eh? Gold color. That is not yet gold. Go back and get gold. Yani love, I know you can't wait. Eh?
Wait for one.
For this my breakfast, but I started cooking God knows when. Doesn't take my life. Do you like the color of this?
Yeah, I love it.
You do? You know, I just think I was putting one.
Yeah.
So I'm like, let me just drop it. Eh?
This is a fennel seed, eh?
Yeah, that's my fennel.
Yeah, this is fennel seed family.
Because of that breast milk. Eh?
Yeah, this pump the breast milk. If you don't know, now you know.
I'm telling you, that milk will come out. And also eating ground food.
Eh?
Yeah. Eating ground food. Because I don't want this to be food. So, babe, how many times will I put this back?
How much time?
I feel like I'll have to put some chocolate. Let me just.
Nice. Nice. Alright family, Miss Jam Toast Plantain, so nice. So they put your no bite again, let me cut.
God alone in the kitchen.
I am?
You're leaving me alone in the kitchen. I'm cooking all by myself. You don't give me company.
Yeah family, so Miss Jam Toast all want me to talk when I'm in the kitchen with her.
Of course.
Eh?
That way I won't even know when these things are cooking. Yani, they'll just cook so fast. Eh?
Eh?
Yeah.
So sweetie, for Brand Jam Reggae Bistro, you feel I should actually create like a date.
I need to be cooking.
Should create like a date night. We set the table nice and stuff and candlelight and thing. And we give people wine and that's special so they can come with them date. What do you think? That's a good idea. I think that's a good theme.
That's a nice one.
It's a good theme.
Yeah.
Set
And
the,
then
you can have a champagne and you can upsell them. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Like all red, all white.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah. So people come in all, all red, all white.
Yeah.
So you can bring a date in that.
Yeah.
And we play some love music at the restaurant.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Lovers night. Yeah, family.
To just set up an event.
Mm-hmm.
Have the candlelights and all that as you're saying.
Yeah.
And have now the theme. Like the theme is all white.
All white,
All
and then you
red.
have champagne.
Or red and white or gold.
Yeah, red. Yeah. I think that's a good. Which day you feel like the best day to have that? You can
I
take
think
out that.
Saturdays. Yeah, I want to take them out. I think Saturdays are best. What do you think? Saturdays.
Saturday is good.
Yes. You know why I give you that look? Or you don't?
So I'm trying to write something,
I say
family.
it on camera. Each time my husband is doing something on the phone and then you talk to him. And then I hear you say it for like 2 minutes. I know I'm not safe. Tell me.
Yeah, family. So as you guys know, we're keeping a Jamaica Independence Party, and you are invited, family. You're invited to this Independence Party on the 3rd celebration. Nikki Z will be there. She'll be playing. She have her people coming that she touring around Kenya. Our tour travel companies, reggae tours and travel. So check her out on Instagram. If you're looking to come into Kenya, you can link up with her too and forward. That's what I say. So we're gonna make it so. That's the thing, sweetie. This independence celebration is very important. Why? Because at Olympics. In the same time Olympics going on, Jamaica will be busting these ass and winning these race and collecting these goals. So we have that to celebration. We celebrate. So that's the reason why I find that, and that's the thing. And that's the thing. It always has to celebrate because Jamaica I go win gold. Them I go win something. Jamaica, when you come on to Jamaica, them always perform. So there's always something to celebrate about the Jamaica independence. So, you know what I mean? That make it like, you know, you can't get no better than this right now. I don't think no other country celebrate independence like how Jamaica celebrate it. Because there's so much to celebrate. It's just crazy, family. It's just crazy. I'm telling you that, you know, I think Jamaica is the best country in the world. There's no other country better than Jamaica. I'm telling you that. Because there's so much to do. You can even use the name Jamaica to make money. Anywhere you travel, set up a Jamaican restaurant, sell Jamaican clothes. It's crazy. You don't know how lucky it is for you to be a Jamaican, or even have a Jamaican parent. All of these people you're coming in, all of these people, you know what I mean, have Jamaican roots. So guys, so if you don't know what you don't know, come and explore with Jam Tours Africa. That's what I say. Brand Jam Reggae Bistro. We're creating the food for you, creating the culture, and everybody who's connected is here, and you should be here too. So you're gonna fry again.
I'm just finishing off this.
Okay.
You know, I normally love this plantains. Why? You see, like when we're going out on the road with Hamesh, I feel like it's just a good snack.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just.
Hamesh. Hot. Hot.
It's
hot.
And I don't want him in the kitchen because of the oil.
Hamesh, it hot. Come hold it. Hamesh, boy.
I don't like this.
Guy,
in the
oh
kitchen
shit.
Love with oil,
Yeah.
surely.
Come.
I don't like babies in the kitchen, especially.
And this thing is so slidey. You can wear it. Watch him. Jamesh missing out on the fun. Alright, family.
I really don't like when a baby is in the kitchen.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
when there's nothing happening, I don't like it. Because anything can happen in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Especially here with this. I don't want to imagine. Anyways, so guys, it's like I'm done making my plantains, as you can see.
As you can see, family,
They look
brown and just like
nice.
how I like it. Just the way I like it.
You know, I'll give it to you the way you want it. You want nice plantains? Here they are. Okay? I'll keep it. Like, I mean, I'm going to give it to you the way. Jamesh likes the game. I remember you were playing last night with Jamesh with the ball.
Yeah.
Like he was understanding what you are doing.
He was pulling his foot.
I wish I captured you.
He was pulling his foot in us, sweetie. I give him the ball.
Yeah.
Alright, sweetie, it's time to end this vlog now.
Yes, my dears.
I want to continue what I'm doing.
See you on the next one. I think I'm going to make this video 2 or what? Because you're going to the market.
Yeah, so this will be 2 videos.
And
Alright, family, Miss Jamtor signing out. One love, God bless, Jamaica. I'm out. Make sure you pull up if you're in Kenya, and if you're flying into Kenya on the 3rd, Brand Jam Reggae Bistro, 1148 Gitanga Road.
we got
With
you.
the Jamaica
Actually,
celebration.
Come and have a taste of this. But I'm not the one who love cooks. They have a very good chef from Jamaica. His name is Chef Ricardo from Jamaica, okay? So come have a taste of Jamaica in Kenya
Yeah.
at Lavington, Gitanga Road, okay? Bye-bye. See you
I'm
on the
out.
next one.
Alright, guys. I'm out. Amesh, any last word? Jesus.